when this situation broke, me come out and cuss out people for Uno.
Alright, so let us dissect this video. I have been listening to this girl who it is alleged that is Crissy's best friend. And Crissy sent her a text accusing her of something, and follow her and block her. But Crissy, you were right. She is not a friend. She was an enemy. And she badmind you, and probably she was in relationship with Seymour too. This is a girl who come out to say she supported Crissy and Seymour in the alleged molestation case, and she done us and cuss us out, and maybe she are one of them who cuss me out and done me out because I don't know how me feel about them. And everything was okay. Everything was okay until she was on her way from work and Crissy sent her a text. And as a result of that text, she now flipped the coin and she's now saying what the rest of us are saying. Girl, you bad mind Crissy. You are no friend to Crissy. You are no protector of children. You are not healed from your whatever you think you are healed from. And your two daughters are in danger with you as their mother as well. Silence is golden. You I talk about two houses where you have and how much this and that where you have. And all of a sudden you start to talk now all of where you have. You're bad mind. You're not genuine. And you don't, yeah? Me did come out and a quarrel and I say, blah, 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 because me couldn't believe, say, Seymour would have did do whatever. But when me realized, say, it on court's document that it was done, me lick, me balling, but me lick right, left and center. Because me not support certain things. But you supported them and you knew that, according to you, Seymour was involved with children who was 16 years old. And you supported them. And all of a sudden now, you not support them again last night. Girl, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. You should, if anyhow Crissy and Seymour are locked up, you're supposed to go to jail too. The upholder is just as the rogue. I come here, come and seek attention because Crissy rocked the boat with you. Crissy, congratulations, she's an enemy. And 9 out of 10 times, check it. 9 out of 10 times, this bitter person was involved with your husband as well. Go, girl. You're evil. Go.